We haven't addressed the biggest problem.
What is that?
I don't know how to drive a bus.
That's fine.
You're gonna be good.
It's easy.
Fine.
Yeah, no, it's easy.
Hey guys! Welcome back to the Pear Bus. If this is your first time joining, welcome. Once I learn how to drive the skoolie, it's going to be my future home. My 3 dogs, Rocket, Groot, and I, are going to explore, spread awareness of mental health, and hope to make some great memories. We hope that you'll join us along for this ride and for this build because it's going to be a great one. Buckle your seatbelts, everyone. My friends, Erin and Vanessa, have been super busy, so before we go inside the bus, come over here. Let's check out how they've been busy.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's around the other stuff. Are you going for the pile of metal?
These rocks right here? No, I'm kidding.
We're gonna load it full of rocks.
Come here.
Oh yeah,
Guys.
there it is.
This is the bus. I'm so sorry. No, come here. I'm so sorry.
Whoa.
Oh no, she hates me.
No.
So this was like the inside of the bus. This is like the roof. All of the metal. We're gonna use this to build a fort now in the backyard. No, I'm kidding.
We're gonna recycle it and make 12,000 Coke cans out of it.
Exactly. That's obviously the more practical thing, you know. And over here we have all of the insulation from the bus. So this is the stuff that keeps the school bus warm. I think it might be very dangerous to inhale. So I'm gonna put it down so I don't die.
Yeah.
Is it dangerous to inhale?
I mean, when the bus is full of it, yeah. I was wearing a mask.
Okay. Well,
But, you know.
hey, it's a good thing we have plenty of those. Thanks,
Yeah, right?
thanks COVID.
Thanks, COVID.
This is the bus. This is where I'm gonna live.
There you go.
This is it.
But you're gonna be a normal bus person.
I'm gonna be a normal bus person. I mean, I have on the hippie pants.
What
You're
is
gonna
normal?
have a shower.
I'm gonna have a shower.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
What is normal?
We
have a new normal.
What is normal? You know what? Normal is whatever you want it to be.
Oh, that's a
but I'm not gonna be crazy weird.
Oh,
I mean, I'm already a little crazy weird. So we're gonna do spray foam up here.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. We're gonna do it on the sides
3 inches
too. Erin was showing me how easy these windows are to pop out.
Just pull right on the top. You can do it. You pull it. You
got
pop it
this.
right out. Just right there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, buddy. You're a window removal.
Easy to take out, guys. Even Heather can do it.
Strong like a bull.
You know, hey, I can build the bus.
There you go.
No, I'm
See,
kidding.
now you
Please,
totally
please,
could.
no.
You can.
You can please still build the bus.
Anyone can do it. It's easy.
Anyone can do it. Okay. Might not be. As
Can
easy
you
as the
reinstall it? Is the next question.
vacuum. Let's see.
Just get mad at it and get angry at it. It's fine. Just push
Get
it in.
angry?
We're gonna have extra ones in there. You go. Just push the top.
Oh,
yep,
yeah.
There you go.
There we go.
Yeah. See?
Boom.
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 Now,
Boom. With the hippie pants, you know.
There you go.
Yeah.
Pretty excited,
That's good.
but this is the bus.
You want to throw a fun fact in there that the whole bus is held together with 14 billion screws?
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, that is pretty crazy.
14 billion screws. I mean, realistically, I think Erin said there was 1,000. So
Yeah,
let me show you how many screws there are.
count how many are in the roof panels because this is
Look at this.
You can use math.
Okay, this is a math problem for you students. How many screws are in a bus to hold it together and put it together?
They're gonna use iMovie and slow that video down right there.
It could be a good math problem.
Yeah, right.
But there's a billion screws in here that Erin took out.
Times 9 ribs.
Yeah.
Or 9 or 10. Yeah.
And then there's but there's even screws up here too, but I guess you probably left those in, most of them.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Everything that just was holding the sheet metal on came out, but I still gotta take all these.
I'm just here for support.
Oh no, you are amazing. Vanessa's the best.
Yeah.
Vanessa is reminding us oh yeah, there's gonna be a fan there, so we can have the skylight here. I feel like that probably looks really funny. Yes.
Above the bed.
Yes.
We're like Chip and Joanna.
Oh my gosh, you guys are awesome. Oh, you guys are totally awesome. Oh. So this is the bus. Fun fact that Erin pointed out, all the wiring goes along one side.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a typical bus thing, but everything. We are thinking about doing some really cool lights. What were they called?
Oh, like
Spotlights! Spotlights
backup
back
camera.
here!
What's his name? Put a backup camera in
We
it, too.
need a backup
Yes.
camera!
Like she needs a backup camera.
I definitely need a backup camera.
So you can put it like right here. You can run the light through and yeah.
Yes. Okay. Speaking of,
That'd be good.
guys, we haven't addressed the biggest problem.
What is that?
I don't know how to drive a bus.
That's fine.
You're gonna be good.
It's easy.
Fine.
Yeah, no, that's easy. You get your bus certified.
Okay.
Maybe. Yeah, let this thing run a little.
This is the bus.
Should we start it?
Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Let's start it. Let's start the bus. Is the bus still gonna start? Wouldn't that be really horrible if it didn't?
Dun, dun,
Oh no. Oh, please start. Please start.
It should, yeah. Let's see why not. This thing has glow plug the camera. Let's see. Gotta let it think for a second.
Okay, come on, bus.
Okay.
Wake up, little bus.
Yep, that is gonna be a giant negatory.
Oh,
Battery might be
crap.
dead.
Oh, no.
Bit dead. I don't know if I did tonight.
This is gonna be the bus. Woo! No.
That's your bed right there.
And I'm gonna sleep on that.
Yeah, you're gonna sleep on that, and then you're gonna sleep under this. That's
Yeah.
the roof.
And underneath it.
Center of the cabinet doors right there.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
and then there's all your cabinets. Right there.
Dang.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Can you guys see
They're
it?
in there.
Because
You
it's
just gotta get them out.
You see the ladder,
I see the ladder.
but you want to be on the ladder.
I want to be on the ladder. I'm on the ladder now.
So what you do is put two hands right here, right?
Okay.
One foot right there. You get 3-point contact at all times.
Three
okay.
points, 3 points.
3-point contact.
Three
okay.
points.
Right here, and then you just go right down the ladder. Easy peasy. Believe in the ladder.
Okay. I believe in myself. I believe in this ladder.
Believe
I believe in my friend taking the video.
There you go.
I believe in my friend holding the ladder.
There you go.
I believe in myself.
You got this.
Oh, and I'm already more than halfway down.
Is this
Cool.
ocean approved?
Whew.
We'll find out.
Whew, thank goodness. Okay.
I don't think either one of us has. Insurance.
Oh,
Okay.
no. Was that too many last step? Was that too much? I was done, guys. No. Thank you so much. Guys, this is the bus. And this is my friend. Hi.
So what we have here
Oh gosh.
in our
Neighbors coming?
natural
Oh,
habitat,
okay. They're gonna be like, that is the weirdest thing
we have the bus woman, and the
Live
and
your life.
the East
Live.
Palmdale woman photographing the wild animal
Very offensive.
in her natural habitat.
That's great. Okay, I'm totally gonna
Crikey!
like this.
New Instagram picture.
Perfect.
Awesome. These are all fantastic. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Dang, I feel like a bus lady now.
Yeah.
We are all bus people.
You are.
Hi guys.
Bye.
Oh gosh, there's a bee up here.
Where do you?
Guys, we got the sink. Oh my goodness.
That's cool.
What? That is cooler than my kitchen sink.
Oh, you think?
Yeah. Oh no, Amazon. Huge shout out to Travels of Heather on Instagram. She created this amazing logo. Please subscribe, like this video, and follow me on TikTok at the Prayer Bus if you want more updates.